Today, in Nognog in the city, we will be visiting Virginia Aquarium. Sisilipin din natin ang katabi nitong adventure park. It was my niece's field trip today.
How was it?
Good.
Fun.
Was fun?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You did not see me inside.
Because you were sitting here.
Uh-huh.
You were invisible. You didn't have your super.
I have. Play dead.
And ang destination na kanilang nabili ay ang Virginia Aquarium, located in General Boo Boulevard. So my sister decided to tag me along on this trip and have my own exploration.
So nagkaroon tayo ng problema guys kasi I actually forgot my email password. So hindi ko ma-access yung ticket. So buti na lang they were really helpful to me and they just printed out yung ticket natin. Yeah, so we're here pala by the way at Virginia Aquarium Park. You can access the aquarium for $24. Yeah, so we're gonna stay here until 12. It's time for us to go in, so let's go.
Tickets should be purchased online prior to your arrival.
You're all set, sir.
Thank you.
Wala namang time limit once you enter the vicinity, so you can enjoy and have fun with the fishes the whole day. Pero syempre, madami pa tayong gagawin the whole day, kaya we made sure that we are already finished after lunch. The aquarium is open daily from 9 to 6 p.m. So I guess hindi naman din siya ganun kalaki. Let's see. It's a self-guided tour and madali lang naman i-navigate ang place. Di ka maliligaw for sure. Una nating pinuntahan ay ang garden heading to the sea creatures collection.
So may mga turtles to. And then there's birds. Hindi ko alam. Pero yeah, let's just go. Exit. Ano tayo guys today? Solo tour tayo kasi supposedly yung niece ko, which is si Alicia, is meron silang field trip here. So yung mom niya, yung sister ko, went here para masamahan sila. So nandito maraming mga tao dito mamaya for sure. And mag-tour around sila. So we have until 12 to really go around and hopefully makagawa tayo ng capture tayo ng maraming mga videos for the vlog. And right now nandito tayo sa first part, acting tour. Let's just go around, okay? So ay ang mga mountain red belly dams. There's a shiner blue hedgehog, hello tender, rainbow. Ang dami nila no, pero parang pare-pareho itsura nila. Sure, we got here some snakes and mga rattlesnakes. I don't know if you can see it. Cute. Moving on, we have here some periwinkle snail, red joint fiddle crabs. These are like saan? Oh, feeling ko mga nasa ilalim lang. So, this is the Komodo dragon. Laki niya, guys. So, mag-isa lang siya dito. Oh, sad life. How are you, my friend?
Actually, good thing na rin na nauna akong nag-explore bago dumating ang mga kids who are doing the field trip.
We got here a blue tongue skink. Yan siya, guys. Tago. Uy.
Aside from the underwater creatures, may iba't iba ding amphibians housed here at Virginia Aquarium.
Cobra.
Did you know that I'm fond of amphibians? And my favorites would be frogs, toads, and salamanders. If only I could house one, I'll definitely get one of these.
Pila sila, guys. Cute. They're all sleeping. Giants. Yeah, so nandito tayo sa isang area wherein it's more on the study about volcanoes and some of the old stones and relics that I found in the ocean. Okay, so let's move on. Balik na tayo dun sa kanina. Mas gusto ko yung area dun sa loob.
Isa sa mga paboritong part ko ng aquarium na ito ay ang tunnel aquarium. May mga scuba divers na naglinis ng aquarium when I got there. And buti na lang, walang masyadong tao at nasolo natin ang section na ito.
Heading at the sharks and sea turtle area. So meron tayo dito yung space where we can just sit down and relax. So ito yung parang medyo interactive area nila. So these are the different types of turtles. Let's see kung ano kinakain ng mga green sea turtle.
One of the sections I always look forward to in seeing in any aquariums are the jellyfishes. Sobrang nakakatuwa lang talaga to see how graceful they swim and they are always moving. Just before the end of the aquarium ay matatagpuan these colorful and trippy mirrors. Inantay ko talaga maubos ang tao para lang makapag-shoot sa area na ito. And if you totally enjoy the place and would want to take home a remembrance, well, you'll find a souvenir shop at the end of the tour.
So we're done with the first part. Move tayo sa may adventure park and then we're going to the nature trail. Yan. Okay guys, so punta lang tayo sa may adventure park. There's like let's go to the nature trail. Oops, push, push, push. So, andito tayo sa adventure park, guys. Tapos, lilipat tayo sa kabilang building. So, there's two building kasi dito ng aquarium. Tapos, may parang nature park in the middle. So, lipat na tayo. And, anong oras na ba? It's almost 11 o'clock, so still got an hour to fully go around this space. And so, hopefully, malibot natin lahat. Meron sila ditong overlook. So, tingnan natin kung meron tayong makikita.
Aside from the aquarium, you can also do boat tours here and look out for some dolphins during summer. Tickets is at $28.95 for adults. Just a few kilometers away from the aquarium, crossing the garden and park area, you'll find the adventure park.
So, nang ganitong adventure.
And with the many places I've visited and adventure parks I've tried, the one here in Virginia Beach is truly big and different.
Ang saya nito. So So guys, meron sila dito ang Treetop Adventure. It's actually a different fee if you're gonna try it, but sobrang laki nung space at saka nung activity na to. Look at that. Ayan, ito yung parang starting point. And you will just go around all the treetop. Ang saya. Kung meron akong extra money and kasama, I would definitely do this as well.
This one have over 258 adventure challenges, 31 zip lines, and 17 treetop trails. And guess what? This adventure park is suited for 5 years old and above.
Nandito tayo sa Virginia Aquarium. But currently nandito tayo sa may adventure park nila in the middle. And what's that?
Do not worry if you haven't gotten an experience and is afraid to go straight at the main part. Meron namang safety briefing and practice na gagawin before going to the main trails. Naka-color coded din ang mga ito to determine the difficulty level. This self-guided park can be explored on your own pace. Kaya kahit buong araw ka nandito, okay lang. Ticket prices starts at $37 for ages 5 to 6, $54 for 7 to 13, and $63 for ages 14 years and up. Medyo pricey ang ticket prices here, but I am pretty sure that it is worth it. Sayang lang at wala akong extra time. Also, mas magandang gawin ito kapag kasama mo mga friends mo and family. Maybe next time.
Okay guys, so trinay natin napuntahan yung isa pang building ng Virginia Aquarium, but unfortunately, it's currently closed. So hindi tayo makakabisita doon sa other building. So just heading back doon sa ating starting point. So dinaanan natin kanina yung adventure park. So it's actually a separate fee if you would want to try it. Sobrang nice i-try yung adventure park. If meron lang akong extra money and time, I would definitely do that. I was seeing kids doing it. Ang galing. It's a different experience, but it would be nice if meron ka mga kasama who would want to try as well. So anyway guys, that's the end of the vlog for today. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a glimpse of what to expect if ever you'll be visiting Virginia Aquarium. And mura lang naman yung ticket. It's just $24. So sulit na rin yun. I mean, for this kind of park that you can actually visit here. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you learned something. Until next time, hasta pronto. Ciao. Bye.